Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Chevy Cruze LTZ, stock number Z6945XX. Only 54,000 miles, and this one owner comes to us with a clean auto check history report, victory red in color. This Cruze also has the RS package, giving you unique front and rear fascias, body side molding, as well as rear spoiler. It's a safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 54,000 miles. With driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Materials, overhead, auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. This engine gives you the best of both worlds. Power when you need with a turbo, otherwise excellent fuel economy. EPA average, 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ6945XX to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.